Have you ever seen a baby discover something from your own childhood? Today, Esiz, your tiny fingers found my old typewriter. The clack of each key made your eyes wide with wonder, and you giggled at every sound. I showed you how each letter leaves its mark, just like our moments together. My advice, let little hands explore safely. Old things can become new adventures when shared. Watching you press those keys, I realized how beautiful it is to slow down and let curiosity lead. Every day with you is a new page in our story, a story where I'm learning how to be a father. As I document these priceless moments, I invite you to be part of our journey. Your like is a warm memory we save, and your subscription means you'll be here for the next chapter. Share this adventure with us.